welcome to our team's Tech Talk. Today we will be covering cleaning at home with the toothbrush. To begin, let's talk about how the toothbrush is positioned, with the bristles facing upwards. This is the correct way to clean your device. Also notice how I am only brushing the part that inserts into your ear, and I have that facing down into the toothbrush. This technique is used to ensure that the debris falling out of your hearing aid is falling into the toothbrush and not back into the device. This is not the correct way to clean your device. Notice how the end of the device is facing upward while the bristles of the toothbrush are facing downward. This causes debris like wax and dirt to fall back down into your speaker. What we've found most effective in ways of holding the toothbrush is to set it down on either a counter, like in our first clip, or down on your knees while you're sitting down, like in this clip. Something important to remember is to brush your device for 30 seconds or longer every night before you go to sleep.
Make sure to remember to stop by our office and grab your complimentary toothbrush to make sure that you're brushing your hearing aids every single night. They're in the front office, they're at checkout, and they're completely complimentary to you as our patient. You can grab them at the end of your appointment or just stop by our office at any time. Thanks!